Yeah. Just cook adobo. Yum. Ito na naman yung supportive lola natin. Ma, nice. Yes. Nice. Oh, Kuya Dig, say hi to the video din. Hi, Kuya Bab. Sige guys, i-push nyo yan. Ma-spin ka man? Ma-spin ka ma? Tayo mo. Ay! Bata! Wow! Wala. Wow! Nice, nice, nice. Nice, mami. Cheers! Nanay mong lasinggera. Kuya, cheers tayo. Kuya, cheers tayo. Cheers! Yung nanay mong lasinggera. Gusto ko nang umuwi. Ayaw niyo pang umuwi. Yung nanay niyo, kahit lasing, nag-cheer. Lasing na yon. And we're back here at Mami Lola's house to eat lunch. Wow, bonggahon man. Nice. We also have here. Yan po. Thanks for the lunch. Oh, ang dami mo ng exposure dito sa vlog ko ma. Oh, hi na. Oh, gayunan pati ang bado mo. Pero day ka napagal ka subanggi sa basketball ay. Nabuyong tsaday. Nanood ng basketball. Lasing. Oo. Pa! Sakto, mapara-pura po man kami ni Mama.
Nagsiselebrate sa 79.
Pa, every year, dapat nagsiselebrate na tayo. So, see you there. See you. Celebrate natin, mainuman kita. Amo pa. Good night. OMG, si Mami. Nag-story. Ang nanay nyo. Nice. Heart natin yan. Pusuan natin yan, guys. Hi! We're here at 76 Farm again. Hi! Good evening! Happy Mother's Day to everyone! Dito tayo ngayon sa 76 Farm. And we're going to eat dinner here with Mama and Papa and the rest of the family. Happy Mother's Day, guys! Bye! Yeah! Yes! Yeah! Kikilig din! Yeah! Kilig! Thank you, Kuya Alvin! Thank you po! Our very, very good chef here at 76 Farm, Kuya Alvin. Say hi, Kuya Alvin. Hi. Guys. Hi. Happy Mother's Day! Mama Lala. This is Mommy Tet.
Hello,
Happy
guys.
Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day to all.
Subscribe to her. Subscribe to her channel.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you.
Social ng gift from US of A.
Sin, thank you. Noy, Sin, thank you sa bag.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Oh, wow.
Okay. Bye. Cute. Patim. Baby. Thank you. Thank you, love. Hi guys, good morning. So Mother's Day yesterday and we spent our time with our Mommy Sexy, with the fam. And I'm very happy because Mommy Sexy is happy. And that's it. My mother is very happy last night. And saya lang na mapasaya yung magulang mo. Hi guys! So we're getting ready. We're going to fetch Mommy Sexy because we're going to go to the doctor today. May check-up siya today kasi grabe yung sipon niya. So we're going to accompany Mommy Sexy. Ayan, so we're just waiting for Tita Lala because Tita Lala is also going with us. So how are you guys? I hope you are all doing okay today. Init pa rin sa Pilipinas. Grabe. So, Mommy is not feeling well this past few days. Grabe yung sipon niya kasi super nagpaulan. Alam mo naman, pasaway. So, yan. Samahan natin si Mommy Sexy. Let's go! We're here. Good luck. See you later. Mapark ako, guys. Mapark ako si Sofia. Yan, dyan na si Ate Lala. Oh, Sophie, pabukas kay Mami. Buksan mo sa... Bye-bye. Sa pagtignan-nervous ka, inhale, exhale. Kumusta ka ni Ate Cindy? Tsaka ni Mano? Oh, sa duwada pa. Oh, yan na. Yan ang paparahay sa imo dyan. Oh. Mamayang gabi na lang daw pa. Hi guys, good morning. I'm back. Yan. Andito si Mama sa hospital. So, na-confine siya kahapon kasi biglang tumaas yung BP niya. So, ayan. Andito tayo ngayon para dalhin yung mga kailangan ni Mama Sexy. Ang dami yung request actually. Hindi siya makatulog nang hindi niya pillow yung gamit niya, and hindi din siya makatulog pag hindi bedsheet niya yung gamit. So, eto na guys. Dala-dala natin lahat. Yeah. Alright. So, wait a moment. Okay. Ayun. Bigla na lang tumaas yung BP niya. I don't know why. Siguro dahil sa gamot na tinitake ni mother. Okay, so later guys. See you later. This is Ace Medical Hospital. Bagong hospital dito sa Legazpi. Yes, sir. Dami nagmamahal. Oh. Parating ang daming bisita. How are you feeling? Good. Yes. Baka lang ko Paris. Oh my gosh, guys. Bagyo, bagyo. Ito na yung bagyo. Wala tayong makita. Pinabagyo na tayo, guys. We're still here in Legazpi. Abot. Sugpat eh. Okay ka na? Okay ka na? Okay na siya. Okay. Ready to uwi. Oh, dami nagmamahal. Yes, we're going out now. Finally! Makakalabas na si Donya Shoni. Yes, happy birthday, ate! That's right. Bye. Hi, bye! See you guys! Thank you, kuya!
Pag ano, oy, taga-bangkiruhan pala din.
Ay, talaga. Thank you, kuya! Salamat!
Thank you. Iyo pa share ka.
Friend niya na yung mga nurse. Ikaw na talaga, Shoni Bell.
Maari na rin kasi Grace.
Parang wala lang nangyari, no? Hi, guys. Hi to your fans. Parang walang nangyari. Okay.
Maray na, basta
Basta lalabas si Mami kasama ang lahat, guys. Oh, look at that.
Si Mayo sa lalaki pa kay. Naano ka nga kuya? Ano pagtuwan niya? Pag sabi niya babae, pagtuwan niya bunay-bunay yan.
Hi guys! And that is it for my vlog. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you Lord. Okay na si Mami Sexy ngayon. Kakalabas niya lang ng hospital and she's actually doing very good now. Thank you sa mga doctors ng Ace Medical Center. And if you're watching this video, I hope you will also do the same thing. Spend with your family as much as you can, especially your mama and papa. Because you know, habang busy tayo nagtatrabaho, tumatanda din yung ating parents. So, you know, call them, ask how they are doing, and you know, spend as much time as you can. Kasi it feels so nice every time napapasaya natin yung mga parents natin by just being with them. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again on my next vlog. Bye!